Welcome back to Shib, everyone. I can't believe that the history of the Shiba Inu army has finally been made. In the retail investor frenzy of 2021, Shiba Inu rose to prominence. The year produced a return of 43,800,000, blowing away all other asset classes, including other cryptocurrencies, which would have made an investment as small as $2.29 into $1 million in US dollars. To put it in perspective, the same $2.29 investment in the leader in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, would have grown to a meager $3.65 since that token only appreciated by 59.8% for the year. We'll discuss the most recent events in the SHIB world in this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu prize predictions. Let's start the long-term video now. Though stocks don't increase in value every year, the average annual return of the equity market is higher than that of other asset classes like gold bonds and real estate. However, when you focus only on the period since the pandemic bottom, the story is very different. 26 months ago, the stock market was completely dominated by cryptocurrencies. Despite the fact that the value of the cryptocurrency market fell nearly 60% from its peak, the total value of digital currencies has increased by more than $1.1 trillion, or 86%, since January 1, 2021, when they reached the bottom of the pandemic valuation cycle and one SHIB token could be bought for just 1 minute. $0.000000073 for those who are wondering why there are so many zeros. Remember that when the Shiba Inu made its debut in August 2020, it had a 1 quadrillion coin supply. Less than 10 months later, the stock would rise to reach its all-time high of $0.00000008841. Although the SHIB ended 2021 with a gain of about 46 million per share, it did so after more than 60% of its all-time high was retraced. Apart from significantly increased visibility due to more cryptocurrency exchange listings and better liquidity after the decentralized exchange ShibaSwap launched in July, a single-year gain of this magnitude might not be seen again. The dynamics of the cryptocurrency market seem to have been Shiba Inu's primary catalyst in 2021, as it's comparatively simple to short-sell publicly traded stocks or buy derivatives like an option contract wagering against unnamed cryptocurrencies. As of this writing, 3 catalysts would be required for Shiba Inu to make a run at $0.011 coin burn. Bitcoin can be very difficult to use. Some cryptocurrency exchanges don't allow short selling, which created a natural bias that fed into an already momentum-driven social media campaign. The question is whether their coin can ever reach 0.01 for some context. SHIB tokens could have to increase more than $84,000 for 0.01 to become a reality. Momentum fueled by social media and innovation reducing its massive circulation coin is Shiba Inu's largest challenge. Supply is the key here. If you are a publicly traded company repurchasing its stock by lowering the number of outstanding shares, each remaining share would theoretically be much more valuable. The same theory would apply to coin burn. If tokens are sent to inaccessible dead blockchain addresses, each remaining coin should be worth more. Last year, the co-founder of Ethereum of Vitalik Buterin, whose enigmatic founder, Raoul, gifted roughly half of the SHIB's circulating coin supply sent more than 410 trillion tokens to a dead blockchain address. In one fell swoop, 41% of the SHIB's 1 quadrillion coin supply was permanently removed from circulation. Additional significant burn events would be required to get the SHIB to 0.01 seconds. Developers of the Shiba Ethereum network would have to wow investors with their inventiveness. This includes the impending release of Project Sharam, a Layer 2 blockchain that aims to significantly reduce transaction costs, and the eventual release of non-fungible token-based gaming. For transactions to be completed on the NFT marketplace at a competitive price, Sharam's effective debut is essential. Social media momentum, which is almost equally important, would be the third requirement for Shiba Inu to succeed. While hashtags and close-knit groups helped Shiba Inu raise capital last year, enthusiasm for the project would probably need to reach new heights before it could raise more than $84,000. On May 31st, let's see what Shiba Inu is up to. The price of the Shiba Inu on May 31st is 0.1217, with a trading volume of $56,563 million over the course of a day. Shib has increased by 0.93% over the past day. It is now down 1.86% from its 7-day all-time high of 0.124 and 2.24% from its 7-day all-time low of 0.112 Shib. There are 549,000 units in circulation. As of right now, the shibainu price is 0.0 plus 00161, down 1.35% from yesterday. Shibainu's price has dropped by 6% in the last week as a result of the cryptocurrency crisis. This is the lowest it has been since October, when it started an amazing rally that saw a 742 price increase in just 1 week, turning a $11,000 investment into $842. For those who have been waiting to purchase, the current low price of Shiba Inu is a wonderful opportunity. The record Shibainu burn rate also indicates that a price breakout is probably imminent upon the resumption of a bull market. Shiba Inu has numerous challenges, including a lack of adoption and new regulations. However, these are not the only issues facing the cryptocurrency market. Even the most popular tokens have not been able to gain traction as mainstream payment methods with consumers or businesses. If Shiba were to pay $1 for each token, basic math would indicate that their total value would SAR to $589 trillion, making Shiba Inu 264 times more valuable than Apple, the largest company in the world that produces smartphones, computers, and a variety of other products. Currently, there are 589 trillion tokens in circulation, and at the current price of 0.0012, their combined value is $6.9 billion. It is unlikely that Shiba Inu, which produces nothing at all, is worthy of such an extravagant valuation, but the idea becomes even more absurd when one considers that the current net worth of all recorded wealth on Earth is somewhere around 400 trillion. If every single government agency and business converted all of their cash and assets into Shiba Inu, that would only justify a price of 73 cents per coin. Therefore, the solution seems fairly straightforward: remove as many Shiba Inu tokens from supply as you can. The metaverse is a collection of virtual reality worlds, and Shiba Inu developers have created one for their community. It is rumored to include games and an exclusive area for Shosher non-fungible token holders. Ethereum will be used to facilitate transactions inside the Shib metaverse, but Shiba Inu tokens will have a special function that could help to lower for a fee in Shiba Inu tokens. Supply owners of virtual land will be able to give their plots names. These tokens will then be burned, or removed from circulation forever, as supply falls. To maintain Shiba Inu's current market valuation of $6.9 billion, the price of each token will need to rise gradually. If 10% of the 589 trillion tokens are burned, each token will naturally become 10% more valuable. This is assuming that Shiba Inu's total value is $6.9 billion. Remains the same: for it to succeed, each Shiba Inu holder must burn 99.9999% of their tokens, meaning that the total value of their position would remain exactly the same. The current supply of 589 trillion tokens will need to shrink to just 6.9 billion, a reduction of 99.9999%. However, even if that happens, the outcome might not be what investors anticipate. The massive decrease in the quantity of tokens they would possess would counterbalance the natural increase in value to $1 each coin. This concludes our post. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our latest content. If people don't need to own Shiba Inus, they will just continue to be a vehicle for speculation. As of right now, there is no basis for Shiba Inus to rise to a $589 trillion valuation, so $1 per token is completely out of the question. However, a mass burning could raise the price to $1 cosmetically, even if it means nothing in reality.